Hello, and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. Only a quick look here at the intraday patterns. Bitcoin has been moving up over recent days. Nicely, actually, since the September low, we've seen a nice move to the upside. So far, I would treat this as a corrective move to the upside. I mean, it might turn into an impulse in the white scenario, but we would need at least two more highs for a full scale 5-wave pattern to the upside. For now, I treat the move to the upside as a 3-wave move. Yeah, so I'm treating this as wave 1, wave 2, and then this would be sort of 5 waves in wave 3, yeah, and then 4, 5. So this is how in the white scenario we could get to a 5-wave move, which might then eventually be another wave 1. Then we can add support for wave 2, which could then set the stage for higher prices. For now, we are still watching for higher as long as micro support holds, even in the orange scenario, in which we are tracking a 3-wave corrective bounce, labeled wave A, wave B, wave C, and then the C wave itself, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this case, we can track and watch for higher prices in both scenarios, especially as long as we're holding above support, which kind of makes sense. But it's important to understand what is support. For now, I interpret this move to the upside as an internal third wave here. Hold on, this one within wave C of an ABC pattern, orange count, or within wave 3 in the white scenario. These two patterns, they kind of move together at the moment. And the nearest support area is here, 113,500 to 115,000. And there is an additional level in between, typically called the ideal target for a fourth wave. I often say it, but it's actually not a target, but very often a wave 4 would get there. The 38.2 retracement, $114,170. I don't really have a clear microstructure for this fourth wave. I mean, maybe we even see another move up today and then a fourth wave here in white on the weekend. Or we're just going to see some further sideways consolidation directly, and that we spend another couple of days maybe in this wave 4 is possible. Because this wave 2, which is the same wave degree, hold on, yeah, probably rather like that. This wave 2, it was quite deep, yeah, so it was quite a sharp correction, unfolded basically within a day. So this wave 4 might be more sideways oriented. That's the guideline of alternation in Elliott Wave, that sometimes when the wave 2 is sharp, the wave 4 is more like a sideways ABC structure, maybe even a triangle pattern, which could unfold over the weekend. So, if we don't within the next few hours see another upside breakout, we're likely going to see some sideways consolidation over the weekend. Wouldn't be a problem necessarily. I think in the current phase, the altcoins are rather benefiting from Bitcoin moving sideways. But yeah, that is something to track for, potentially rather an ABC structure. It would look quite good over the weekend, and then maybe on Sunday breakout. I don't know. It's more about I'm watching the levels. This here is speculation. Okay. One more high could take us to 107. Well, clearly we reacted to this fib level, the 100% extension. Okay. And bear in mind, if we break below support, 113.5K, probability is increased that the top has already formed. Until then, we're using the support area as a trend filter and watch for higher prices against it. And so, because we reacted to that 100% extension level at 116,330, we could also get potentially one more high, which can take us to the next fib level then, yeah? So that would be, if we get one more high, the next area to watch, 117,668, maybe even 118,500. This would be the next area of interest. So yeah, that's basically what I can tell you at the moment about the Bitcoin chart. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in further updates, check out our membership. On the weekend, we're going to run our MCO live stream again, 5 p.m. UTC every Sunday. Lots of coins will be analyzed there. Also, if you're interested in some more updates, check out our X channel for additional news, updates, and much more. Some macro updates as well. You can find here, the link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.